If you change word into God, in the beginning was the word and the word was with God, becomes in the beginning was God and God was with God. Are there two gods? No. If you read correctly, in the beginning was the word was with God and the word was God. First time the word God is used, it is hotheos. Hotheos in Greek means the God. Second time the word God is used, it is tontheos. Tontheos means a God, means a godly person. First time the word God is used is with a capital G. But in Hebrew, there was no capital N, it was hotheos. Second time the word God is used, it is tontheos, means a God, a godly person. So in the beginning was the word was with God, with the God. And then in the beginning was the word was with God, and the word was God. Word was godly. The word is Jesus Christ, if I agree with you. So the word was saint, the word was prophet. The second time the word God is used, it is not hotheos, it is tontheos, means was the prophet of God. So that's what we believe. In the beginning was the word, in the beginning was Jesus, peace be upon him, no problem. And the word was with God, Jesus Christ was with God, no problem. And the word was a prophet of God, correct. It was not God, it is tontheos, not hotheos. You go back and do research and you'll come to know, and the word became flesh. Jesus Christ became flesh, no problem. So it means Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, was the messenger of God and was not God. Hope that answers the question.